everyone, this is me Gatikvirka again, and today I'm going to show you how to make Dabeli. So I have just now started making one because my mother has asked me for some help. So see, Amma, what we have to stir it like this, but half part I have actually missed it. My mother have made the rest until I am not there. So just now I have added boiled and smashed potatoes. So then you have to mix it like this. So to make this that I am making, we are going to need zero save, red chutney, Dabeli masala, buns, and some coriander leaves, butter, pomegranates, and peanuts, and some salt. So these are the ingredients to make our recipe. So in this mixture, I have add some mashed potatoes right now. Then we have to add 2 full spoons of salt. Then we have to add 2 full spoons of tamarind chutney. Looks like this. So if you want to make this, you have to put some tamarind in some hot water and rest it for about 10 minutes. So then after that, squeeze all of the tamarind, then remove the seeds, and you will get these type of a mixture. Then put 2 full spoons of that in the mixture. 1 minute. So now you have to put 2 full spoons of tamarind chutney. So now I am going to make the stuffing for the Dabeli. So first you have to use a spatula and make it flat like this. Make sure that every single thing in this should be flat. Like this. So then sprinkle some pomegranates. Then we have to put some masala nuts. So this is how it looks now. So after that, we have to sprinkle some chopped corianders. So remember, after making every single food, wash your hands. I finally found my chef hat after making a food. So now my mother have just cut this one. Why? Because if I do it, it might get ruined. So open it. Then inside you have to put some red chili paste. Go easy with this, guys, okay? This might be very spicy. So after that, put the topping which you have made before inside. So after that, put some save inside. This is called zero save. It's zero save. Why? Because it will feel very good when you actually eat it more than a bigger save. So after that, close it tightly. Keep it aside. Then we are done. So everybody, I'm done with the bun now. Let's do the frying now. So first, put some butter. Oh. So we have to put some butter now. Then after that, we have to spread it off. Why? Because it should become little bit more oily. So then, after that, let's just leave it like that. Then, till then it becomes oily. Let's grease all of the buns with some butter. So now we have to do the frying part. So first we have to get one bun. Then after that press it hardly, and then it should be like some type of a sandwich like a thing. So now I have flipped this with the help of my mother, and now after that we have to fry it the other side. So now what I have to do is, you have to carry out and put it in some type of plate full of zero shape. So now my dabeli is ready.